wanted to show you this V8 Vantage we painted here. We just painted the whole side on it. There's a few bits of damage, some stone chips and various different things. It had a new wing as well. But quite often customers ask about blending panels, because obviously when you paint a car, if you paint edge to edge, the colour might look different. So in this situation, we've had to paint edge to edge on the wing to the bonnet, because it was a new wing, so it had to be coloured. But the return on it's ever so thin, so that should be okay. We've colour matched the car, we've scanned it and tinted it a bit, so that should be okay. But we've also had to blend it, so you look, you can see on the masking film where we flick out the colour. So we flick the colour of the pillar here, and we flicked it at the quarter panel here. So actually when it comes to this section here against the tailgate, the colour will be the same, because we haven't actually put any colour there, we've just put a very thin clear coat on top. So that's what we mean when we're blending a panel. Sometimes if it's like a tricky colour, like a metallic like this, we'll always have to blend the panel. So for example, if we put a new wing on this car, which we have, we would have to blend the adjacent panel to make the colour match. In this situation, we've done the whole side to make the colour match. So there's no colour down here, just where it needs to be down the side. So that's what we mean when we say we're doing a colour match. Also, you can't really see, I'm just about to do a video actually in the next couple of days on orange peel and why that's so important. It's usually quoted as a bit of dirty work in paint work, but there's a reason why we want it, because we want the finish to look like the manufacturer's original finish. So when we unmask it, the adjacent panels, not just the colour will match, but also the orange peel in the clear coat will match. So when people look at it, hopefully they look at it and they think it's never been painted, and that's what we're going for. So yeah, good job. We'll finish building it up and then give it back to the customer.